Yo man, in this video I'm gonna go into the live markets. It is currently 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so in 30 minutes the session of New York Stock Exchange will open. And that's when I trade. That's when you should also trade. And in this video I'm gonna take a trade in front of you. I'm gonna teach it to you step by step by doing the recap and going through it. And yeah man, let's just get into the markets and I'll see you there. I just sold the markets on Nasdaq. We got this MSS on the 1 minute, and I'm looking forward for the price to go down pretty rapidly. Okay, pretty rapidly. Not the greatest session, but yeah, I'm looking for the price to go down. Let's go, chat. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I just recorded that. Let's go. That's how we do. That's how we do it, boys. That's how we do it, boys. Let's go. Look at that amazing downtrend. Look at that amazing downtrend. Let's go. Alrighty. Look at this. Look at this profit for today. Today's PNL. And I'm not flexing, guys. I saw some comments. Some guy told me that stop flexing. It looks cringe. Well, I don't flex. Okay, I'm always here to innovate, motivate, and educate so you guys can learn and know that it's possible. I'm 18. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay, 2.3K and 60 cents. How did I do this? Well, this is literally the MSS model that I've been teaching you guys. So I essentially have two entry models. This is the second one. So first one is to follow the trend. Okay, super simple. I have videos on that. Make sure you check it out later. And the second model is the MSS, market shift, because the trend cannot continue forever. As you see, we actually had an opportunity to buy today, but I wasn't in the markets, okay? I was eating food. My fat ass, I'm just kidding. But I woke up pretty early, considering that the markets will open later. But so I ate some food. But look at this. Low lows, low highs, low lows. We actually took some sort of lows right here. If I checked correctly. Yeah, that was the this is a 50-minute low right here, right? So we took that when the session opened, right? Go down, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. This could have been an entry of like maybe a 1-to-7 ratio targeting this high. And then what happened? We took out this high. This is when I came into the markets. And we start to rally down. What does that mean? When we take out highs, this is not a very high time frame high, but still it is valid because the way that the price reacts to it is always the answer. Remember, guys, we dump sellers into the market. What do we create then? We create this low right here because we close below the most recent low right here. As you can see, if you guys don't know, I have plenty of videos on that. And low lows, low highs, bam, we'll create a new low right here. Boom, break of structure number 2. What is that? That is the legendary MSS that I teach. Okay, that's the second entry model. Boom, 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 boom. I enter right here. Stop loss always above the order block right here, which literally protected my stop loss today. As you can see, we bumped into it and then we rallied down, continuing this cycle of trending to the downside. Pretty amazing, right? Pretty amazing. And obviously the total money, 2.3 thousand. $36.60. Okay, so man, that's essentially my second trade of in this week. So flawless week. I'm actually in a pretty damn nice winning streak right now. I don't want to talk too much, bro. Freaking, I'm gonna get jinxed. I'm kidding, but whatever, man. If I lose, I'm gonna lose a lot less compared to my winners. That's the key. Okay, but now I'm in a pretty good winning streak. But if you want to learn more, make sure to click the first link in the description. It will take you to my free 1-hour-long course. Imagine that, where I'm going through both of these models, how to follow the trend and how to see the MSS. Okay, if you found this video helpful, make sure to comment down below, like, subscribe, and yeah, man, I appreciate you watching this video. I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.